Hi everybody, my name is Aubrey. I am one of the designers here at Universal Yarn, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Forest Fir Legwarmers. These legwarmers are part of our 12 Days of Winter kit collection, and they are knit using Deluxe Worsted Superwash. This is a 100% superwash wool yarn, great for garments and accessories that are easy to care for. The Forest Fir Legwarmers feature ribbing, a beautiful cable panel down the front, reverse stockinette for the rest of the body, and then a lovely ICord tie, which is what I'm going to talk to you about today. An ICord is essentially just a knitted tube, very easy to work, that has a little bit of magic, if we say. ICords are generally used for tie purposes, which is the way we used it in this design. Okay guys, so all you need to make an ICord is of course your yarn of choice and double pointed needles. Double pointed needles are the essential to making the magic of the ICord happen. So the first thing we need to do is cast on 4 stitches. So now we need to start by just knitting across this row. Great. So with an ICord, instead of flipping and working the wrong side, all we have to do is take these stitches and slide them to the other end of the needle. So now we begin to knit again. As you will notice, the yarn is now coming from the left side of the work. So just pull that first stitch a little bit tighter than you normally would. And all we do is repeat this process. So slide the stitches to the other end of the needle, pull the first stitch a bit tighter, and knit across. And that is all there is to it. I am going to take this away, knit a few more rows so that you can see what it looks like worked up, and then we will finish it up. Okay guys, so I stepped back and knit some rows so that you can see what the ICord looks like knit up. So as you can see, it becomes this very pretty little tube. These are great to use as ties on a hat or a bag maybe, as handles. This is also great for a decorative element to your knitting. So I will go over the process one more time for you. So we just need to knit across, and then all we have to do is take those stitches and slide them to the other end of the needle. Remember, this yarn is now coming from the left side of the work, so just pull it a bit tighter and knit again. And there you have it. All you have to do to make a very pretty ICord. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. As a reminder, you can get the Forest Fir Legwarmers as part of our 12 Days of Winter kit collection, available exclusively at your local yarn store. Until next time.